Hi, I'm Dan Rochon, GreetingsVirginia.com, Keller Williams Realty. Today I want to talk to you about short sales. My team and I, we've successfully sold short sales in the Virginia, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. area since 2007 and have sold well over 100 short sales successfully, almost 150 today. Last week we closed one in the Carlton in Arlington, Virginia. In fact, this is about our third one that we've closed successfully in the Carlton in Arlington, which is a mid-rise condominium community. And I'll tell you about that in just a moment. First, I want to invite you to visit our website, GreetingsVirginia.com. If you have a question about a short sale, or if you're upside down on your mortgage and you need to sell, there you'll find an ebook, Should I Short Sale My Home?, which is a homeowner's guide on how to survive the worst economic time in history. And it will give you some information about what a short sale is and how we can help you. And that's at GreetingsVirginia.com. The Carlton in Arlington, Virginia is a mid-rise condominium that I told you about. We had a homeowner that had that was getting ready to retire in 4 years from now. Had some general medical circumstances that that made paying the mortgage a challenge, and the hardship that they had was really that they were going to retire 4 years from now. And they had approached us, and they had originally bought the property in 2005 for almost $230,000. We recently sold it for $124,000, and Bank of America asked for $1,500 contribution from the seller for them to forgive that difference of greater than $100,000. So if you're in Virginia, Maryland, or Washington, D.C., and you have a question about a short sale, if you're upside down in your mortgage, and or if you're having trouble to make ends meet or to pay the mortgage, or if you've been denied a loan modification and you have some questions about how we can help you, please email me at dan@greetingsvirginia.com. That's dan@greetingsvirginia.com, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you, and my team and I, we look forward to helping you.